मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Hey, hey, yes, 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 yes.
Hey! 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 Hey, Tapa! Oh, wow, Tapu!
Ta-da-da.
Oh, instead of butter lentils, now I'll have to eat ball lentils.
Let it be, Grandpa. We are also ball kids, right?
Here you go, Dad. Today's newspaper.
Hey, Jetha, you are giving me this newspaper as if you have won a trophy.
Eh?
In a fight between Jetha and a lion, Jetha won. Give me. No, no! Hey!
Dad!
Oh, daughter-in-law!
Hey, Daya, are you cutting cucumber? Let me show you how to cut it.
Oh, wow! Wow, Dad, wow!
Hey, where did the cucumber pieces go?
Over here, Jetha!
Oh, Dad.
Move aside, move aside.
Listen very carefully. Today I have for you.
Yes, brother, I know. There is one good news and one bad news.
No, sir.
And?
Today I only have one piece of bad news.
Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me!
First, listen to the news, please.
Yes, sorry.
Look closely.
To whom, brother?
Shut up, man. You're cutting my flow.
Hey, speak up, brother. What do you want to say?
Look very closely at these innocent children playing around you.
And?
Your innocent children could be kidnapped. Kidnapped.
Huh?
Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
Two kidnappers named Luka Chubi are roaming in your city. Be careful. A moment of distraction can lead to mishap.
Huh?
What an aroma! And there's no one around either. I'll eat with great enjoyment.
Hey, Popatlal, people in the country are not getting food and you're wasting food here. Move from here, Jetha.
Watch closely.
Where?
Hey, it's me.
Huh?
Today I have one good news and one bad news. So which news you will like to hear first?
You'll be telling the bad news first anyways.
Then listen. The bad news is that two thieves named Chanku and Manku are roaming in your area. The two thieves.
Huh?
Yes, you heard right. Two notorious thieves are roaming around in your area. So be careful. A moment's carelessness can lead it to disaster.
And what is the good news?
Tonight from 8 to 10 p.m., the power in your area will be cut. But the meter will be running.
How is that a good news?
For the thieves, this is the good news, isn't it, Uncle? And now I'll take your leave. Bye-bye, audios with cameraman Glance. This is your reporter, Sanata. Bad news until tonight.
Yay! It's going to be fun. We will play a lot. Yay!
Sannata did say that the power would go out tonight.
Yes, brother. That's why we had dinner very early today.
Oh God, there are so many mosquitoes here.
Here, the power is out.
And Tapu Sixato!
Hey. Oh, what, Dad? You are still killing mosquitoes only?
Hey, Jethalal, wait, I'll take it out.
Hey, Tapu. Does anyone play with a ball in the dark? Anyone play with a ball in the dark?
Then what should we play, Dad?
Hey, in our time, when the lights went out, we used to play cops and robbers. And we used to play police and thief.
Very good idea, Uncle Bhide. Dad, Grandpa, Uncle Popat, Uncle Hathi, come on. Let's all play cops and robbers together.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Now, who should the police be afraid of?
I mean,
I will be the policeman, right?
no, I will be the policeman.
No, I will be the policeman.
Hey, man, I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will.
I will be.
I will.
You all be the robbers and we the kids party will be the cops and catch you.
Yes. And that too red-handed.
Even the police of 11 countries haven't been able to catch us till today.
Why couldn't they catch you?
Yeah, because we haven't done anything wrong till today, brother.
Yeah. Dad, we will count to 10. You all go hide by then. And yes, Uncle, you are not allowed to go outside the society.
Okay, start the count. But you have to count till 10. No cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, no, not yet.
Presenting to all of you Abdul's special soda with a dash of lemon. Huh?
Oh, what a massive bob, Jethalal. You broke all of Abdul's bottles.
Try reversing again.
Hey, Sodi, do something quickly. Sodi, hurry up. The train is coming. Hey, Popo boy, what is this Popo, huh?
I'm looking for my dad.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bye.
Hey, my Sakairam.
We'll just slip away through the narrow lane.
Sorry, take a left. Left. Hello, take a right.
Oh, wow!
Come on, Tapusina!
Tapu, you made your dad fall and you're laughing.
Participate in this game show with your family and make your way to Jhumri Talaya tomorrow. Goodbye for today.
Yes, tell me, what were you saying there? Speak.
These people are sending messages that are loud as a speaker. If you had won this while talking, then only 10 houses would have heard you, understood?
What? You are also behaving like Tapu.
Yes, and you too. Tomorrow the three of us will go to Jhumri Tilaiya to take part in this game.
No way. I will absolutely not go.
But Dad, the whole family must participate in order to qualify in this game.
Oh, Daya, I'm absolutely not going.
Please, Dad, let's go!
Come on!
Come on, Dad!
Let's welcome Jamal and Bobby. Sometimes they're jumping, sometimes they're hopping, sometimes they fall. I can't tell if they're humans or monkeys. Now just look at this gentleman. He wants to get across the rules, but the boat has gone its tongue.
This t-shirt fits me perfectly, doesn't it?
One of a kind. Looking at your face, your watch, and your face, I say your family is going to lose.
Huh? Hey, Daya, are you cutting cucumber? Let me show you how to cut it.
Oh, wow!
Wow, Dad, wow!
Hey, where did the cucumber pieces go?
Over here, Jade. Yeah.
Oh, Dad.
Move aside, move aside.
Listen very carefully. Today I have for you.
Yes, brother, I know. There is one good news and one bad news.
No, sir.
And?
Today I only have one piece of bad news.
Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me!
First, listen to the news, please.
Yes, sorry.
Look closely.
To whom, brother?
Shut up, man. You're cutting my flow.
Hey, speak up, brother. What do you want to say?
Look very closely at these innocent children playing around you.
And?
Your innocent children could be kidnapped.
Huh?
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
Two kidnappers named Luka Chubi are roaming in your city. Be careful. A moment of distraction can lead to mishap.
Dad, Dad, let's go quickly. Come on, we have to finish all these rounds before anyone else does it.
Jethalal fell from the sky, caught between mother and son. But in the next game, we will all get lost in a maze.
Where did I get stuck?
On your mark, go!
Come on!
Slow, 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 little slow.
Where did Tapu's dad go?
Hey, Dad, let's go. Dad?
Tapu's dad, let's go from here.
Dad, let's go.
Please spare me. I'm going home. You two are tearing me
Tapu's dad, see there, you can exit through your lane.
Dad, we have one. Come
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
You two are just causing trouble. That monster was about to pop me like a balloon today. Now let's go home there. Let's go. Let's go. Who are these people running towards me?
Hey, Dad, we have to defeat them. Come on.
Go! Oh! Dad, please take me home!
Jetha came as Tapu's dad, but he will leave as Tapu's grandpa.
Hey, Tapu's dad, come over here and help us.
Oh my god! This man has so much power! He has so much power!
That's my dad. My dad.
Remember, you must not fall on the marshmallow and you have to jump only when I say jump.
Yes, and don't remove the
You
blindfold.
do know that you've reached this far because of me? There's no need to teach me rules, okay?
It seems ever since he became a bull, Jethalal has found a new zest for this game.
When I say duck, that is the time you duck Tapu's dad.
Tapu's dad.
You have to duck only when I tell you to duck. Tapu's dad, when I say bend, only then you bend.
Daya, why don't you ask me to talk?
Hey, I just said, twice I said.
I'll go acting like a boss.
Dad, that's enough. Just stop. Yeah. My dad is the best.
I really got lucky here.
Come on, Dad, come on. Hey, I was just checking if you're hurt.
Oh, now why are these people following me?
Mom, Dad, you are the absolutely best. Yeah!
We won, but I got worn out while winning.
Come on, let's go!
So folks, along with the fireworks and the Jhumri Talaya trophy, Jethalal gets a huge cash prize. Now the celebration will be double XL size.
It wasn't that bad after all. I had fun while playing. If I knew about the cash prize, I would have crossed every level long ago.
Now they are calling us back for tomorrow's competition. What do you say, Tapu's dad? Should we do it?
Here you go, Dad. Today's newspaper.
Hey, Jetha, you are giving me this newspaper as if you have won a trophy. In a fight between Jetha and a lion, Jetha won. Give me.
No, no.
Dad! Oh, daughter-in-law.
Hit the brakes, Daya. Hit the brakes.
Dad!